This is where you put your garbage. Garbage signifie ça, monsieur? Fatra. Comment on dit fatra en anglais? Garbage. How do we say fatra in English? Class, how do we say fatra in English? Garbage. Okay? Garbage day. It's garbage day. When is garbage day in your town? Garbage day. Non, comment ça dit garbage day là? Garbage day. Garbage day. Day. Okay. Day qui veut dire chose, c'est garbage day. Today is garbage day. Jeudi c'est jour fatra. Exactement, ça va chercher même. Jeudi c'est jour. In Jessup, garbage day are every Tuesday and Thursday. Garbage day are Tuesday and Thursdays. Every Tuesday and Thursday, c'est garbage day. C'est jour vite fatra.
Our garbage day is
Friday. So your garbage day is Friday. When I say when is your garbage day, you're gonna say my garbage day is on Friday. Every Friday, the truck, okay, come, okay, to pick up your garbage. The truck is coming and pick up your garbage every Friday. Okay? You have to put your garbage by the street, the garbage can. What is a garbage can? It's a can you put your garbage. The can you put your garbage on, they call it garbage can, right? So when the truck is coming, you put your garbage by the street in order for them to pick them up, right? In order for them to pick it up, right? So every Friday you have to remember to put your garbage can by the street for the truck to come and pick up your garbage. Qu'est-ce que fatra encore, monsieur? How do we say fatra in English? Garbage. Comment dit machine fatra? The garbage truck. Comment dit camion? Ou bien machine, gros machine, c'est truck. I mean, since the garbage truck come every Friday in order to pick up your garbage. That's right. You're supposed to put your garbage can by the street for the truck to pick it up for you, right? Okay? But a garbage disposal. What is a garbage disposal? What is a garbage disposal? It's a place. It's a place you put your garbage when you cook. After using your potatoes, after using your trash, whatever, you have to put. There's a place, especially in the kitchen, which is called what? Garbage disposal. That's where you put your garbage. D'accord avec madame? Comment le côté vous mettez fatra à côté petit côté un petit buffet pour vous mettez sachet. Sachet c'est ça un trash can. Ou bien trash bag. A trash bag. Trash bag. I need a trash bag. So, okay, I need a trash bag. Don't forget when you go to the store to buy your trash bag, because you're gonna need them to put your garbage, to put your trash. Which phone number is doing that? Oh, okay, that's him. Okay, yeah, I was just listening to the. I was ready to to dance. Okay, all right. You can say garbage or you can say trash. How do you say trash? Okay, garbage. The can that you use to put your trash, they call it trash can. Something like that? Can. The can you put your trash, they call it trash can. A trash can. What is a trash can, class?
trash can where you can put your trash.
It's a place you can put it's something you can put your trash. That's a trash can. A garbage can. What is a garbage can?
Garbage can where you
Yeah, it's a can you put your garbage. But there's a garbage disposal. It's where you're going to put your garbage. It's a place. So on doit même. So it's a place where you put your garbage. Okay. Okay. Let's talk about dish towel. Dish towel. What is a dish towel?
This is a towel. You can clean your dish. You can dry your dish.
Exactly. A dish towel, ça veut dire ça une serviette. C'est comme si on dit une serviette pour laver pour scier vaisselle, pas vrai? A dish towel. Towels, on répète ça même towel. 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 A towel c'est une serviette. I need a towel. I need a towel. I need a towel. A towel. What is a towel? Something you use to clean your for example, when I say dish towel, it's something you clean your dish with, or your dish with, right? On va utiliser pour nettoyer, pour nettoyer vaisseau, son dish towel. Parce que dish signifie vaisselle, et puis towel signifie serviette. Ça, on dish towel. C'est une serviette pour scier vaisselle. This is on the dish towel. I need a dish towel. I need a dish towel in order for me to clean the dish. I need a dish towel in order for me to clean the dish. I need a dish. Do you have a dish towel? Something like that. Do you have a dish towel? Est-ce que vous avez une serviette avec vaisselle? Okay, dish towel. Let's go. A freezer. What is a freezer? What is a freezer? Son congélateur, pas vrai? Mais it's a place you put your food in order to keep them cold. Something like that. A place you put your food and to keep them cold is a freezer. Quand on met tes manger pour quitter le glacé, so freezer. Like you can put your meat, right? When you go to Walmart, you put it on the freezer to store them, right? Exactly, to conserve the food, the meat, because if you don't do that, it's gonna lose the meat, right? It's gonna be spoiled. It's gonna be something. Yeah. So, if you want to keep it freeze like a meat, right? You put it in the freezer. Mon qui connaît le refrigerator, donc on partit là dans bois ici, on met des bail qui pas fait glacier, pas vrai? Et puis bois ici, on met dans le freezer, la partie freezer dans le freezer, et là on met. Yes. All right. Let's keep going. A refrigerator. A refrigerator. Allez, a refrigerator. Allez, refrigerator. Your refrigerator, son réfrigérateur, un frigidaire, so if you don't want your thing to be freezed, you put it in the spot of the refrigerator. But if you want it to be freezed, you put it in the freezer. If I have a juice, where would I put it? In the freezer or in the refrigerator? In the refrigerator. Because if I put it in the freezer, it's going to be frozen. It's going to be frozen. Ça l'appelle là. La fait glace. It's going to be frozen. Parce que le verbe de freeze là, c'est frozen. Elle passe par des siphons. Yeah, la fait glace. Yeah, it's gonna turn into ice. Comment on dit glace en anglais? Ice. Okay. All right. In the refrigerator, you can take some ice, right? You can get some ice. In the refrigerator, you can take some water too, right? You can take your water. Sometimes you can take ice. Okay, I know Haitians much like cold water. You know what I mean? Ice water, right? Le glacé. Ice water, right? Jeu c'est ice also. They say jeu ice, mais c'est I, le singulier, one I, two ice. Okay? But close your eyes, fermez les yeux. But I need some ice. You might écrire, je don't écrire. Comme t'as écrit le bout. Ice, ça c'est glace là. Ice, c'est yeux. Okay? Lord, I need some ice. I need some ice. Ça c'est ice sans besoin. Vas-y, mon besoin. Mais l'autre dit, close your eyes. Ça veut dire c'est yeux. Yeah, exactly. Okay, no problem. Do you make the difference right now? Can you make the difference right now? Yes, I can. Can you make the difference right now? Yes, sir? Yes, I can. Okay, let's continue. That's what is a stool? A stool.
It's a box you can put your stool.
It's a?
Box.
It's a box?
You can put your stool, your knife.
Mm-hmm.
You know, I don't know if it. You can
No,
put this
that-
stool, this
no.
stool in the kitchen, no?
We have a stool in the kitchen. Yes.
You can put your knife, your fork.
That's not. No.
And
A stool is, for example, Linja is. Can I say that? Linja is a little bit of short. She kind of short, right? Linja, are you okay with that?
Yeah.
It's okay to say that? Okay. So she wanna reach the cabinet, for example, to put like the glasses, to put the whatever the plates.
like some,
She used a stool.
something like this.
Yeah, something that's a little bench. That's a little. Yeah, she used a stool in order to stand on for her to reach the cabinet spot, right? A stool. Okay. So c'est comme si on petit banquette. Si nous avons Google, nous avons taper pour nous ça. On stool. Yeah, on stool. Yeah, exactly. Son petit banquette, monsieur, ou monter sous lui, ouais, on petit banquette. Like they use it to step on in order to reach the cabinet. Oui, monsieur. All right. Bon, on contacte grave là. Même stool, ça signifie l'autre bagaille. Ça signifie c'est
C'est ça la différence.
toilette. Yeah. Toilette, caca. Stool. So, stool, ça signifie caca. Okay, all right. Let's go. A chair. A chair, tout le monde connaît. A chair is a, c'est une chaise. Bah oui, a chair. A plate. Plate. Ça, c'est un plat, une assiette. Bah oui, a plate. Si ma dit me besoin de plat, ça m'a dit. I need a plate. Go get your plate. I'll prendre assiette. Okay? You can go get your plate, right? Go get your plate. I'll prendre plateau. I need a plate. Besoin plat. Where are the plates? Something like where are the plates? Côté assiette, yo. Where are? Allez-moi, monsieur. Where are the plates? Where are the plates?
It's on the kitchen.
The plates are on the cabinets. À côté de là, in the kitchen, but in the cabinets, mostly. They are in the cabinet. Okay, let's go. A ball. I need a ball. I need a ball. Ball. A ball, c'est toujours un ball. A ball. D'après, il y a une différence entre plates avec un ball. L'aime dire besoin ball, ça besoin monsieur. On va un petit glace fond. Okay? Okay? Yeah. So, but plates, c'est un autre bagage. Bah oui, monsieur. Okay? Nous avons tapé Google là pour voir quelle différence il y a entre ball et plate. Okay. A glass. Class, what does that mean? A glass. A glass. I need a glass. Besoin d'un verre. Attention, there is a difference between mirror and glass. Something you drink out of, something you can drink out of it, it's a glass. C'est glace. Li signifie vitou nan sens sa. Li signifie vitou, mais dans la cuisine à côté nous y a son verre. I need a glass of water. Allez-moi. I need a glass of water. Besoin verre de l'eau. I need a glass of water. A glass of water. Can I have a glass, please? Allez-moi. Can I have a glass? Please? Laissez moi caber mon verre, s'il te plaît. So caber mon verre. Okay? Yes, I need a glass. All right, let's continue. We need, we talk about glass. A placemat. What is a placemat? Monsieur, a placemat. A placemat. Nous connaissons ti ba yo mette en bas plateau, en bas yo.
Comme si on était sous le
Et pas un petit coupe, non, t'as qu'on serviette. Voilà, on tapis.
tapis.
On tapis, on mettait un bas vert. Pour ne pas mouiller ça. Oui, monsieur. Pour ne pas mouiller ta là. You let place on soupe là. You let ça placemat. A placemat. It's a little something you put under your whatever, like your glass, right? Or your dishes. It's kind of like it's like a towel, but it's like a tapis. A placemat. Si on ka Google il ka work ça ensemble, un placemat. En bas vert pour pas mouiller tapis là, vrai? So c'est comme si on va mettre en bas vert pour pas mouiller tapis là. That's a placemat, something you put under your glass. Okay? For when you're drinking your tea, when you're drinking something like a juice, anything. Okay? Yeah, so, je vais inviter à table de pousser Karim de aller. Là, toujours mettre un petit placemat en bas vers pour pas mouiller. Bien, ça, on va s'allier. Okay. All right. A placemat. A silverware. Allez, silverware. Silverware. Silverware, là. Mais c'est ça où silver signifie. Silver. Pour conclure. Ça, silver signifie quoi? Silver. If it's not gold, c'est silver. Silver signifie argent. Et oui, c'est.
Silver, argenterie.
Eh bien, silverware, exactement, tout ça, ouais, qui c'est couteau, cuillère, fourchette, yo les ça, silverware. Ça veut dire là, silverware. Couteau, fourchette, cuillère. Yo fait en argent, yo les argent. Argent, bah oui. Eh bien, you dit, I need a silverware. Do you have silverware? Where are the silverware? Nous vivons habitués avec spoon. Bah oui, spoon qui signifie cuillère. Nous habitués avec fork qui signifie fork. Ça, nous faisons une fourchette. Nous plus habitués avec un knife qui signifie couteau. Eh bien, ni fork, ni knife, ni spoon, non, vous mettez l'ensemble, vous mettez silverware. Ça veut dire là, silverware. I need some silverware. I need a silverware. Mais un couteau, bien qui est. Bien? All right, yeah, I can tell. Silverware. What is a silverware? It could be like a bicapabillon, knife, bicapabillon, fork, bicapabillon, spoon, bah oui, une cuillère. Donc ça veut dire ça, les agent, ça qui fait un agent, ça, le silverware. Do you have a silverware, please? Can I have a silverware? Can I have silverware? Silverware signifie agent. Bah oui. Oui, tout ça, ça. Cuillère, couteau, fourchette, l'autre bagaille. Et comme si généralement, parce que c'est silverware, oui. Tout côté, what dit, où arrive la caille, Madame Lidor, what dit, do you have silverware? Where are the silverwares? Where are the silverware? Côté, oui. Qu'on a l'abdou, go, oui, allez dans, qui va mettre là dans le cabinet là, et puis, vous avez un silverware, okay. Go to the cabinet. All right. Let's go, class. Let's go to teapot. 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 Allez, moi, répétez avec. Teapot. Repeat after me. Teapot. Teapot. What is a teapot? This is where you put your tea, right? A pot for the tea. A pot for the tea is a teapot. Bah oui, monsieur. Tea signifie thé. Là, monsieur. I need a tea. Oh, mais son pot à thé. On regarde dire comme ça, oui. Un pot à thé. A teapot. Okay. It's a pot for tea. And we call them teapot. Right? Do you have a teapot? Like, my guy pour mettez thé. A morgue. Ça, un morgue, monsieur. On tapis?
Non, on tasse.
On sort de tasse. Like a morgue. A morgue. Okay? Yeah, I need a morgue. Right? Besoin gotation. Gotation. I need a morgue. Do you have a morgue? Do you have a morgue? Mais ça va pas penser c'est non tellement voilà non bien c'est quand tu vas le monde. Alright. Okay, class. Let's go. Napkin. Nous connaissons napkin.
Ah oui.
Yeah, it's a napkin. So comme si on sort de serviette, right? It's up. Okay. Now, do you have a napkin? Yeah, napkin. Tout le monde habitué à ça. A table. Table, class. Table. Table, c'est table. Go sit at the table. Okay? Okay? Go sit at the table. Okay, it's on the table. A dining room table. Dining room table. What does that mean, a dining room table? Dining room table. C'est yon? Table qui n'a qui ça? Non, salle à manger. A chair, a dining room chair. Salut, monsieur. A dining room chair. C'est une chaise. Qui n'a salle à manger. D'accord. A kitchen table. What does that mean, a kitchen table? Une table cuisine. A chair. A kitchen chair. Une chaise cuisine. Okay. All right. The kitchen chair. An electric stove. Electric stove. Electric. Your four électrique. Ou bien un réchaud électrique. Bah oui? Electric stove. Gas stove. What does that mean, gas stove, monsieur? Yon réchaud à gaz ou bien foie. To load, monsieur, nous connaissons ça habituellement. To load the dishwasher. Let me say to load the dishwasher, ça me dit. To load. You're gonna go loading the dishwasher. To load the dishwasher. Voilà, c'est dishwasher, après. Ou tout load li, par exemple, qui l'a load li, monsieur, et quoi mettez bagage là, mettez vaisselle, ou load li. Okay, you load the dishes, you put the dishes on them. That's what you do. When you're going to load the dishwasher, you're going to put all the dishes on them. Unload, le contraire de load c'est où? Unload. Laissez on retirer plateau là. Okay, you unload the dishwasher, you load the dishwasher. All right. To start the dishwasher, démarrer-li, lancer-li. To turn on, c'est allumer-li, to empty the dishwasher, ou à débarrasser de vaisselle. Ok, la vider, comme si vous avez vidé le dishwasher. Ok, good. Class, on allait, n'a pas dit en anglais, on m'a attendé le bonheur. On allait, number 1. Directement, on m'attend de l'une. Bah, je explication pour vous. Mon qui dit microwave là, son nom c'est bon. Repeat again. A microwave. One more time. A microwave. Number 2. A cabinet. Oh, listen. A cabinet. Cabinet. Okay. Number 3. Dishes. Number 4. A counter. Or top. Okay. Number 5. A shelf. Number 6. Quanti mot devant nous, monsieur? A stove. Number 7. A tea kettle. A tea kettle. So tea kettle, monsieur. Bagay côté ça va fait théa. Okay, bagay fait théa mais aussi un tea kettle. So what is number 8? What is number 8? No, an oven. Number 9. A pot holder. A pot holder. Pot holder. Number 10. Coffee. Monsieur, coffee maker. A coffee maker. A coffee maker. Okay, number 12. No, number 11. Number 11. I don't hear you. A spice rack. Number 12. A blender. Number 13. A toast, monsieur. Toaster. A toaster. Number 14. A dishwasher. Number 15. A sink. Okay, number 16. Drying rack or a dish rack. Number 17. A garbage disposal. Number 18. A dish towel. Number 19. A freezer. Number 20. Refrigerator. Number 21. A stool. Number 22. A chair. 23. A plate. 24. A ball. Number 25. A glass. 26. A placemat. Number 27. A silverware. Number 28. A candle. Okay, 29. A teapot. 30. A mug. 31. A napkin. 32. A table. 33. A dining room table or a dining room chair. 34. A kitchen table or a kitchen chair. 35. Electric un electric stove ou bien a gas stove. An electric stove or a gas stove. Okay, 36. To load, ou bien start, ou bien turn on, ou bien empty the dishwasher. Let's say it like that. To load, to start, to turn on, empty the dishwasher. Okay, so class, what do you think are the 10 most important things in your kitchen? You're gonna tell me what are the 10 most important things in your kitchen? What are 10 most important things in your kitchen, Madam Mrs. Louis-Dor? What are the important things in your kitchen? You really need, like in your kitchen. You want to be in your kitchen. You need a microwave.
Cabinet.
You need a cabinet. That's 2. Refrigerator. That's 3. Do you need a freezer too? Do you need a freezer? Yes. Okay. You need a blender. That's 5. A chair. A plate. You need a chair. You need a table. You need plates. You need glass.
Bowl.
You need the bowl. Like this is already 10, right? Vous comprenez ma femme là? Chaque monde boy ici bon 1 2 3 4 5 6 n'a nommé 10 bagages nous ta prendre dans la cuisine nous. 1 2 3 4 5 10. You're going to write it down for me. This group. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, you are going to name 10 important things you would like to have in your kitchen. 10. Monsieur va prendre 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Monsieur, dans le groupe, ça va prendre 10 bagages dans mes mains dans la cuisine. 10 things that you like to have in your kitchen. Write it down. Écris. On fait écrit. You? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 montayo. Not no big. 10 bagages. 10 important things you would like to have in your kitchen. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You should not only 10. You are going to need 10 important things you would like to have in your kitchen. Non, mais je dis, non, fin d'écrire et puis même liste là. You need a pencil? You need a paper blank? White paper? Do you have, okay. You need some paper too? Oh, you have it. You need a pencil? Pencil? There's pencil over there. Come and get the pencil. 10 important things you would like to have in your kitchen. You see? Ten important things you would like to have in your kitchen. Okay, j'ai 6 choses à faire, tout le monde s'attend. 10 bagages. 10. Souffle au cas écrit 10 bagages dans la chambre personnelle, mais dans le groupe là, groupe là comme 10.
Dans la chambre ou bien dans la cuisine?
Dans la cuisine. What do you think of the most important things in your kitchen? Yes, you can mention. Important things in your kitchen. 10 important things in your kitchen. And you're going to tell me why. You're going to tell me why you need them. Why do you need them? Sinon, allez faire comme ça, va faire l'autre chose. Après, chaque monde m'a 10 bagages dans la carrière, d'ailleurs, qui content les gens personnellement. Sinon, allez d'avoir un groupe, m'a fait personnel. Qui groupe qui prêt? Which group is ready? Your group is ready. Okay. Group number 1. That's number 1. That's number 2. Number 3. Number 4. We got 4 groups. I got 4 groups. Group number 1, are you ready? Are you done? Okay. I'm waiting for group number 2, group number 3, and group number 4. Finished? Okay. I'm gonna ask you to say them for me when you finish. You're gonna say it. Who's the leader of the group? Who's the leader? I don't know. I need one leader of each group gonna say it. When you finish, one leader of each group going to say it for me. Okay? Says these things for me. Almost time. It's almost time, okay? Okay. Group 3, are you done? Any important thing? Yes. Thank you. What's all about that right now? Ready? You ready? Let's go. À 10h02, ma camper. Chaque monde, ma camper chaque monde. It's 10:02. 10:01 at 10:02, we're gonna start doing something else. Okay, 10:02, we're gonna do something else. Okay, 10:02. It's 10:02. I am going to choose a leader of the group to say these things for me. Okay? Okay. And you're gonna say why. Okay. Group number one. Group number one. Stand up. Who's the leader? You are the leader? Okay. She's the leader. What's her name?
My name is Shalonzi.
Shalonzi. Okay, Shalonzi is going to tell us what you work on, right? So you're going to tell me, Shalonzi, the 10 most important things in this kitchen, in the kitchen that you were talking about. 10.
Microwave.
You need a microwave.
Cabinet.
You need a cabinet.
Oven.
You need an oven.
Spice rack.
You need a spice rack.
Blender.
You need a blender.
Table.
You need a table.
Chair.
You need a chair.
Napkin.
You need some napkins.
Bowl.
You need a bowl.
Dishwasher.
You need a dishwasher. Thank you. Good job. Group number 2. Who's the leader? Who's the leader? He's the leader? He's the leader? Okay. Can you stand up and tell me 10 important things in your kitchen?
Blender.
You need a blender.
Dishes.
You need some dishes.
Coffee maker.
You need some coffee maker.
Bowl.
You need a bowl.
Plate.
You need some plates. Yeah.
Oven.
You need an oven. Yeah.
Spoon.
You need some spoons, some silverware. Right?
Forks. Knife.
I say like those things we call them silverware. Silverware. Some silverware.
And table.
A table.
Dishwasher.
You need a dishwasher.
Napkin.
You need some napkins. That's it. Oven. Sink. That's it? That's it? Okay. Thank you. Group number 3. Lenja is the leader. Okay, Lenja, tell me 10 important things that you need in your kitchen. In my kitchen?
I need microwave to heat my food.
You heat a microwave to heat your food. Refrigerator. A freezer. Okay, to put your juice. Yeah. Okay, table to put your food. Napkins.
After I eat
Okay, I use it after I eat or like to wipe my. Okay, that's good.
A sink to wash my dishes.
Oh, you need a sink to wash your dishes. To
A
clean.
plate to put my food.
You need what?
A plate.
A plate. You need some plates, not one plate. Right? You need plates. Yeah, good. That's good. You need some glass.
Drink water.
You put it to your drink and your juice, your water. That's good. In an oven. Woo! Good job. Group number 4, are you ready? Are you ready? Group number 4, you ready? Who's the leader? Okay, you the leader. Tell me 10 important things in your kitchen that you need. Some plates. A stove. Microwave. Freezer. Blender. Refrigerator. Chair. Coffee maker. You like coffee, right? You're gonna make your coffee. Sink to wash the dishes, the plates. You need a bowl, big bowl, to put your soup, right? That's good. Thank you. Thank you so much, guys. You guys all do a great job. You do a great job. So let me go in a second question. I have another question for you. Practice. What things do you all have in your kitchen? Make a list. Each individual, it's individual. Now, chaque individual kounya, nous va dire qui sont gagnés dans la cuisine, nous faisons une liste de bagages dans la cuisine. What things do you have in your kitchen and make a list? Quand on est là, visitez la caillou, vous pouvez comment cuisiner, vous marquez tout ce qu'on a dans la cuisine. Yeah. Okay, what things? Yeah. Les pas obligé 10, 20, 15, ça dépend de où. Qui sont gagnés dans la cuisine? What things do you have in your kitchen? Write it down. Think about it, and write it down. Et vous allez regarder chaque individuellement pour dire qui sont dans la cuisine. How about somebody who has nothing in his kitchen? Okay, I understand. So if you have nothing in your kitchen, so you can imagine something you would wish to have in your kitchen. So back in the kitchen, we imagine so that's what in the kitchen. You can imagine what you would love to have in your kitchen. The kitchen part. Imagine some things important. Okay, let me make it easier. Imagine 10 important things you would like to have in your personal kitchen. Okay? Like, pour le problème, on prend 10. D'accord? 10 là bon? 10 important things you would like to you have in your kitchen. Et bah bagarre ou ta sauté non, sans gain même dans cuisine. 10 important things that you have in your kitchen, in your personal kitchen. That moment comes in my kitchen. I have this, that. Silverware. Yes. Silverware. What about you team spoon avec fork avec tout bagage seulement team silverware. 10 important things you have in your kitchen. You can write at the back of your sheet. You can tell me 10 important things that you have in your kitchen. Ten important thing you have in your kitchen. Oh my God. I give you 2 minutes, and then after that we're gonna go. We're gonna keep going. Okay? It's 12. We're gonna finish at 14. Okay? It's 10:12. At 10:14 we're gonna see something else. Yes? Say that again. Caution? Like caution? A caution is a coussin. Coussin, we can like you, are you talking about caution? Caution. Cauldron? Cauldron? No, good fish get baller. Baller, like B-O-E-L-L. Okay. Come on, you can say that. B-O-E-L. Fusion de mosaïque, c'est C-O-U-L. C-O-U-L. E-R-O-N. Oui, ils ont un différent de soit dire, parce que c'est vrai, le jeune fait c'est comme si la même vache au pied à de ma mère. Exactement. Exactement. You can boil the water. Oh, mes amis, il est dépassé. Il est dans 15 là, on a commencé, oui. Je vais prendre quelqu'un. Il va prendre un monde chaque fois pour les capable de finir. Ok. Ok, class, let's go. Okay? Est-ce que nous avons? You ready?
Yes.
Okay? All right. Let's go. We want in this first row, we want to tell me 10 things that you have in your things important thing you have in your kitchen. 10. Qu'est-ce qui veut dire 10 bagages importants qui gagnent la cuisine la Kylie dans la première chambre? Are you going to tell me 10 important things you have in your kitchen? Mr. Luido, tell me 10 important things you have in your kitchen. Yes, stand up.
Stand up.
Yeah. Stand up.
Cabinet.
In your kitchen, you have a cabinet.
Chairs.
You have chairs.
Stove.
You have stove.
Blender.
You have blenders.
Sink.
You have sinks. Sink.
Gas stove.
You have a gas stove.
Refrigerator.
Refrigerator. And the last one. Plates. Plates.
Table.
Table. Kitchen table.
Kitchen table.
You got kitchen tables. Do you have kitchen chairs?
Garbage disposal.
Garbage disposal. Garbage disposal. Good. Okay. That's good. That's 10 important thing. It's Mr. Lido. That's good. That's no problem. In the second group, like here, who can tell me 10 important things they have in their kitchen? 10. You wanna try? Okay, let's go.
Microwave.
You have a microwave.
Cabinet.
Silent space. We have a cabinet.
Dishes.
We have some dishes. Silent space.
A sink.
You have a sink.
A blender.
You have a blender.
A silverware.
You have silverware.
An electric stove.
You got electric stove. You have an electric stove.
A refrigerator.
You have a refrigerator.
A bowl.
You have a bowl.
A garbage can.
Yeah, a garbage can. Garbage disposal or garbage can?
Garbage disposal.
Yeah, garbage disposal. That's 50% garbage disposal. Garbage can. So can okay. All right. Group 3. Tell me 10 important things you have in your kitchen. You have a microwave in your kitchen? Cabinet? Blender? Dishwasher? Sink? Napkins? Refrigerator? Plates? Bowl? And kitchen table. A kitchen table. Good. Last group. Tell me 10 important things you have in your kitchen.
I have in my kitchen. Cabinet.
A cabinet? Blender? Sink? Plates? Table? Bowl? Napkin? Microwave? Spoons. Okay, good. Good job. Okay, class, let's go next step. Let's go here. Repeat after me, class. A bench. So, on a repeat pour nous continuer parce qu'il y a pas avancé sur moi. Allez, a bench. Repeat after me. A bench. A bench. Bench. Donc, on bench, c'est un banc, pas vrai? Cushion. Cushion, là, c'est un coussin, comme si pas qui gagne, donc une chaise qui est douce, pas vrai? Okay, cushion. Okay, number 3. Number 3, you can repeat something? Number 3.
An armchair.
In armchair. What is armchair? Nous pensons que les armchair, monsieur. Your fauteuil, pas vrai? Okay, armchair. Okay, armchair. Repeat after me. Easy chair. An easy chair. I need an easy chair. Et comme si, ouais, chaise ouais qui gagne tout bail bien couché bail qui gagne. Sous lit ça relève ça armchair, fauteuil ou bien easy chair. Comment dit fauteuil en anglais? Hein? Armchair or easy chair. Number 4. Unhand table. In table, nous comment hand table, monsieur là. Ti tabouin qui sous côté course et canapé là côté au chata bon ti ta ou mettez boisson sur lui mettez petit bail on ti tape tout petit ou mettez boisson sur lui end table allez boy end table okay do you have an end table in your you have an end table okay you do okay so like you can sit in the couch right and then you have your end table next to you put your little drink right. And okay, like hand table. Okay, a wall unit. A wall unit. Repeat after me. A wall unit. Okay, wall unit. Yeah, 2:30. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah. What's that? No, 10:30. That's fine. Yeah, that's good. Yeah. Okay. All right.
Here to get crowded.
No. I just want to make sure because I don't want to go over it. Okay. End table. Let's go. Let's go. An end table. A wall unit. A sofa. A couch. A throw. A pillow. Nou kon sa ki le pillow, monsieur. Un pillow, si on zoriye, ça va mettre tête. Dans le living room, on met la konya, monsieur. Ok. M'entre dans chambre là, oui. Dans chambre coucher avec là, ba dans cuisine encore non. Ok. So, let's go. Window seat. A window seat. Let's go. A window seat. Okay, a window seat. A love seat. A love seat. Nou kon sa ki love seat là, monsieur? Non, on côté, on petit chaise côté, ou même madame Chita à nous deux. Yeah, oui, on petit chaise remé. Yeah, oui, you really love seat. Yeah, oui, c'est nous deux à cacher là. Début Chita, nous avons fait un petit snogo. Nous avons fait toi et moi. Nous avons caché à même côté, nous coincé là, on a une love seat. Yeah, oui, a love seat. Let's go. An ottoman. Okay, let's go. A coffee table. Let's go. A coffee table. A coffee table. Nous connaissons ça. Right? Okay, coffee table. An ottoman. An ottoman. Number 14, Sally. What is number 14? The floor. Number 15. A curtain rod. Okay, a curtain rod. Number 16. A ceiling fan. Nous connaissons ceiling fan, monsieur. Un ventilateur qui fan beaucoup c'est ventilateur, mais ceiling fan c'est ça qui en l'air. Un ventilateur qui au plafond, qui dans le plafond. OK? Ceiling fan. Let's go. A ceiling. Number 18. A smoke detector. A smoke detector. Donc on a un smoke detector, monsieur. Comme si on l'a filmé un calabre identifié là, c'est lui qui a pas annoncé. Ok, un signal, la bonne signal ça. Ok, la commence à déclencher signal là, après là, vous voulez petit peu après, un smoke detector. Ok, un blinds, monsieur allez-moi, blinds. Blinds c'est l'état pour rideau, c'est rideau. Ouais, il y a le curtain, il y a le blind. Ok, blind, c'est rideau. Let's continue. A curtain. Let's go. A curtain. Nous avons curtain, ça c'est rideau. A wall. Mais c'est côté wall là. Mur. A wall. A bookcase. What does that mean, bookcase? Côté where you put your book. A bookcase. Let's go. A vent. Okay? Somebody comme si qu'on prend vent là, bon ici il veut le bon. Right? A light switch. On light switch, monsieur. Ça? Okay, light switch. Okay, all right. Thermostat. Thermostat. Nous prenons thermostat.
Machine.
Il y a un thermostat. Côté où on va chauffer là, ou on va combien de degrés? On va dire la 70, mettez la 60. On thermostat. Chaque monde qui gagne caille, ok, donc sur côté mien, capable chauffer caille, ou mettre la 60, 50, 60. J'en ai mes cailles, vous voyez? Thermostat. Mendo, et fireplace. Fireplace, nous connaissons fireplace, monsieur. Côté où fait du feu. Mets des petits bails là pour mettre un petit temps pour faire du feu là-dedans. Fireplace. Let's go. Number 8. Number 28. A fire screen. Repeat after me. A fire screen. Écran capable de voir côté du feu. Okay. A plant house. A house plant. A house plant. Number 30. Wait. Number 30. A fire. Number 31. A rocking chair. Ok? Rocking chair. Nous prenons rocking chair. Avec une chaise, une belle petite chaise qui a un coussin qui a déplacé. Vous voulez rocking chair. Vous capable de balancer sur les comme ça. Donc, on dodine. Rocking chair. An outlet. Donc, on a outlet. Pour le bloguer. A floor. A table. A desk lamp. Donc, on a un desk lamp ici. Ok? On l'a bureau. To sit in an armchair. Repeat after me. To sit in an armchair. And to sit in a walking chair. Donc, on est armchair, c'est un fauteuil, mais walking chair, c'est les mêmes qui dodinent. Walking chair. To sit on a sofa. Or, to sit on the floor. Sofa, c'est canapé, monsieur. Pas vrai? To sit on the sofa, je tâche canapé. On the floor, à terre. To sit in a cushion, et là, je tâche son chaise, il y a un coussin. Pas vrai? Coussin. Okay, thank you so much. I think Mr. Lou is here.